Right now I am in Textile Institute. This is a textile college. This is very famous in India for textile education. And I'm here to show you some of the rainwater initiative, rainwater harvesting system installed by this college institute. So let us go and see what they have installed. This is a Shetty sir, and they have initiated this rainwater harvesting in Textile Institute. So we'll go with him and see the installation. This is a college. You can see this rooftop. There are a very nice rooftop over here, and this water from the rooftop is taken by downtake pipes. You can see so many downtake pipes over here also. We have installed for this spinning workshop unit. So you can see this rooftop of spinning workshop. This is the roof of this spinning workshop. This is a rooftop of spinning workshop, and this is a downtake pipes. And here they have installed this rainwater harvesting filter. You can see the water from the downtake pipe. This is water first screened from the screens, and underneath of the screen there is a back filter, and after back filtration this water is conveyed to one of the tank they have got. This is a tank, and after collecting this rainwater they are using for their utility purposes in college.